Shorty, you already know what it is. Ain't got time, we're gonna go on a 6-10. Yeah, can't nobody do your body like this. Oh, I wanna.
This famous cafe serves the best mango desserts of Bangkok. The cafe has 3 floors all decorated with beds, and it's very unique. They only serve the best high-quality mango of Thailand. The desserts are incredibly delicious, and the drinks too. You can have their mango smoothie and sticky rice for takeaway.